Hey, Cowgirl Gina. I'm going to make me a chicken sandwich. Mm, just a little chicken sandwich. Something that I think will be good for a lunch. It's called white chicken, crider. Hope it's good. That's some of the stuff they give us free around here. Got the Miracle Whip, the onion, the green onion, the cilantro, tomato, lettuce, sweet reddish mustard, lemon juice, and some baby Swiss. And my goodness, I bought some cheap wine. Got it from a Walgreens. It looks like it's pretty good, but it's very bitter. So I had to put some, what I did, I had to add a little honey in it. Sweeten it up for me. But it came out okay when I did that. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Hey, Cowgirl Gina. I'm getting ready to make me a chicken sandwich. I showed on display on what the ingredients were. It's this white chicken called crider. So remember when you get this,
okay. I need to thank you. I need to thank you.
I'm gonna take this right here. You're gonna squeeze all the juice out of it.
I need to thank you. I need to thank you. I always told, I always told, yeah. She's my African mother, strong and pure. The shining light, yeah, always endure. Through every hardship and every trial. Her love for me, yeah, it won't ever expire. Your love is always true.
Looks pretty good, huh?
Your love is, she sacrificed so much for me. Sacrificed so much, so much. Love is always true. Her love was always true. And I owe it all to you. And I know I owe it all to you. I owe it all to you. Hey, I owe it all to you. Hey, I need to thank you.
Sometimes you may hear me breathe a little hard.
I need to thank you. I need to thank you. I need. She's my African mother, strong and pure. The shining light, yeah, always endure. Through every hardship and every trial. Her love for me, yeah, it will never expire. Your love is always true.
Yes.
Your love is always true.
And then
Your love is always true.
I have some
Love
onions.
is always true. I owe it all to you. I owe it all
This
to
knife
you.
out my way.
I owe it all to you. I need to thank you. I need to thank you. I need.
And I
I owe it all
have
your love for me. Yeah, it gon' never expire.
I had them all together. I guess I put them away somewhere else. But I do know I have a little oil. About maybe a tablespoon of it. Not even that. I think about a half a teaspoon. Got about a half a cup of sugar there. I want no sugar, but you got enough sugar already with this sweet. About a cup of tablespoons of sweet relish. And someone said, about the miracle whip. It's coming. We need the mustard.
Never late, you always on time.
Remember, this is a sandwich.
Give me light, you give me sunshine.
Putting it all together.
Your baby bad, oh baby bada.
A little basil.
Oh baby bada. Take it to my mom and I take it to my brother. Take it to my mom and I take it to my brother. I will show you all the finest things in life.
I'm gonna put the ingredients on the list for you guys to know how much my measurements are. A little salt, don't need much because we got enough salt. And now, you ready to put Miracle Whip without the that wasn't good work. I'm gonna use so that's right there.
Every day they bugging me. Ain't gonna get me nobody but you,
Along with this, I'm gonna have my baby Swiss cheese. That'll be the final act with my toast. So let's get ready to stir this stuff up. Has some real pickles. I like real pickles. I mean, the deal to put on my sandwich. But this is me and Cowgirl. Lisa, she's gonna want some of it too. So, gotta do all this. Great, huh? Now remember, this is a sandwich we just did together, so it's nothing hard to do. Real pickles be great. Can't help myself. Guys, I couldn't help myself. That is so good. More of it. But we gotta put some. Oh, we don't do that. Put this sandwich in it. And don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere at all. I'm going to get my toast and try to put this sandwich together. Hold tight. Hey, Cowgirl Gina, showing you that she has her bread. Oh, that's the corn you're looking at. You know, I had to boil me some corn. And I got my toast. And I have the bread of choice today. Is this bread here. Yeah, I mean the honey. Natural owned. It tastes a little good with this. Got the lettuce on there. I think I'm cooking with Crisco. This other lettuce is my salad. And it's the other slice of bread. Let me get this out the way now. I'll show you. And another thing too, I put a little cilantro inside my and basil. So I was off camera. I made sure I had all that. And so I wasn't sure whether that I had it in the corner there. And I showed on production at the beginning. So we want you guys to see this. Now I gotta cut it in half. Some of this lettuce, like I told you. See how well we do. How well did we do? I think it came out pretty good. It was a little messy. Didn't have all that mess in the middle. But other than that, this sandwich came out great. I want to present it for you so you can look at it. You can see that it came out delicious. Got my bread, my cheese, my lettuce, everything. And I have some corn on the side. And I have a drink. Couldn't help but to have a drink. Clean up this mess around me. So, there you got it. You got this beautiful thing here going for you. A chicken sandwich. Now we can ready to take the bite. See how it tastes. You got it.
What me say ever since I made it to the top, I turn their targets. Them not fi sign me pass their budgets. No be mouths, no be brag, just change the subject. I'm hotter than their hottest prospect. Bless up to my brothers for the street where they hustle non-stop. Big up to the people where they pick a city drop. African boy, they find what to job. African boy, they find what to job, yeah.
I'm my love for, no go for anybody for this shit too. Just do your thing, go. No go for anybody.
Can you see that I'm black and I'm proud?
Don't forget the wine.
I'ma say it out loud.
So, thank you for joining me. And try it out.
Can't you
I
see
think
that
you'll
I'm
like
black and I'm
it.
proud?
It's good. It's soul
I'ma
food
say it
tuna
out loud.
from a Cowgirl Gina. Rice seasoned, prepared, and it tastes fine.
You know I came from the tracks.
With an egg, because a good egg is.
I know Switchland, I take hands
Approximately
for the
about 20
bank.
minutes of your
Come on,
time.
block, I mean, you can
Then you
spend
have a
me the
delicious
rain.
delight, which you don't have to spend all that money in fast food.
No contest, start now, I know this year. Nobody
You guys have a great time, and I hope to see you again. I cook on Wednesdays and Thursdays sometime, but I'm not feeling well, so it could be on a Thursday or Friday. But I do try to make something to go out approximately twice or one time.